Lake Windermere is England's largest natural lake, stretching over 10.5 miles through the heart of the Lake District National Park in Cumbria. Surrounded by rolling hills, quaint villages and lush woodland, Windermere offers a picture-perfect setting that draws visitors from all over the world. Its tranquil waters are ideal for boating, paddleboarding and scenic cruises, making it a haven for both relaxation and outdoor adventure. One of the lake's most popular access points is Bowness-on-Windermere, a charming lakeside town filled with cafes, gift shops and stunning views. At the heart of the town lies Bowness Pier, the central hub for lake cruises and ferries. From here, visitors can embark on peaceful boat trips to Ambleside, Lakeside, or simply cruise the lake while soaking in panoramic vistas of the surrounding fells and countryside. The pier area is always buzzing with activity, from families enjoying ice cream by the water to couples setting off on romantic boat rides. Whether you're hopping on a classic steamer, renting a rowboat, or just sitting on a bench watching the world go by, Bowness Pier is the perfect spot to experience the timeless charm of Windermere.
Jet ski! Fuck off.
Have you always lived in
Tranquil.
Oh, I see her. She's pretty.
Where the road narrows, it's better to cross.
Did you have to find the PSA?